What's up, everybody? I have this WPL tore apart because this ESC, I think I ruined it. I think I got it wet. It's not waterproof. I didn't have forward throttle. I only had reverse. I thought, well, I'll try this LaTrax ESC and see how it does. So I soldered it to the motor. Do not judge me on my soldering. I'm not the best, but I soldered it to the motor and I actually gave it a little test run. I think I'm gonna run the LaTrax ESC in it, see how it goes. But while I'm at it, I bought these a while ago. I wanted to see if I could get these Injora Stamped Beadlocks on these tires. Well, it turns out I can. I also got these hex adapters that go from the 5mm hex to the 12mm hex, so these wheels can go on. Now it does sit it out just a little bit wider, which that's okay. All right, we're back together. Now the only thing I had to do was I had to take the interior out. I was able to keep the dash, but I had to take the interior out so the ESC would fit in there and the battery. But now we're gonna work on these wheels and get the rest of these beadlocks on the rest of the truck. So I wanna see how much weight difference there is. Now this is plastic. This weighs virtually nothing. We'll see how many grams it weighs. It weighs 8 grams, okay. And then this is the beadlock with the brass hex adapter. I have all the screws in, so we know exactly how much weight we're gaining. It's gonna be a lot. 59 grams. So this is 51 grams more. Multiply that by 4 and we got 204 grams. That's gonna be down low on the axles to give us a lower center of gravity. Okay, I got that one together. Went together pretty nice. So these don't fit perfectly inside this beadlock. See there, well there it's locked in. There, it's not locked in. So it's locked in there. These tires aren't meant for this beadlock. These tires are just meant to be glued on these plastic rims. The ring doesn't sit in there the way it should. You're not gonna get it perfect. Again, these rims aren't meant for these tires, but the wheels do look good with these tires on them. So to save time, I'm just gonna cut right to these wheels all being on the C14. Wow, it looks so good with all the wheels on. I love how wide it is. Yeah, love it. So we're gonna take this out and we're gonna just crawl around with it. Oh man, this looks so good. I guess you kind of figured that the first place we go is to the dam. So let's see if putting that weight on the bottom actually improved this at all, because before it was quite a bit top heavy. So I do have plans for this truck in the future. I'm gonna stretch it out, lower it, and turn it into an LCG crawler. But let's take a crack at the dam right now. Oh, he got that torque twist there. You see how the front wheel's up in the air. It's not wanting to go on its back, so that is an improvement. It still isn't going anywhere though. Let's see. Now, these tires just don't have enough grip. All right, let's take this out on the trail and just crawl around with it. that's a good spot to end the video. I do like these tires. They don't have a lot of grip, but they do look good on these white stamped beadlocks, and the overall lower center of gravity did improve. The 370 motor with the LaTrax ESC performed flawlessly. I can't complain about it. And one nice thing about the LaTrax ESC versus the last one I had in there is this one's waterproof, so if I do take it in the water, it has a better chance of surviving. But that'll be it for this video. Next time we see this truck, I'm going to be stretching the wheelbase out. I'm putting all new links, all new drive shafts, and I'm going to put all new wheels and tires on this, stretch this out, try and get it low, and see how good this thing crawls. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you tune in for the next video. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you can join me on some more upgrades of this WPL C14.